I think I I should record these videos so you can play it and back and forth. You can stop and pause it if you want. Because we cannot submit the form via the Google form. So this is like the exercise that you can please watch it and try to do it before I will give you the solution. So the first question is, if we have the knowledge base like this, P and Q is true, and P then R is true, and S even only if Q is true, and alpha is S and R is true. Prove that alpha is true using the refutation by resolution. I hope that you still remember knowledge base and alpha. So you have to convert alpha first and then add it to the knowledge base and try to do the resolution and try to prove that it's like has some contradiction. Is the one that I talked in the video. And the second question is, I have two sentences. The first one is, some people in Bangkok owns a white house. Some people in Bangkok owns a white house, and everyone loves all people who love some animals. Okay, so let's look at this. Okay, so if you want to do it by yourself, you can pause the video now. If you that is my recommendation. Once you finish it, you can come back here and play the video. Okay, so please pause it now. So if you continue to this point, it means that you finish working on both questions. If you finish the first question, I'd like to show you the solution. So you have KB like this. So guys, look at this. This is not in the conjunctive normal form yet, right? Because it must be and. So it must be P and Q. This is one fact and one fact, and P then R must be not P or R. This is one. And this one, it must be S then Q and Q then S. So you have to convert it into not S or Q and not Q or S. So this is the fact that you have. And the sentence alpha, sorry, is alpha, is S and R. So not alpha is not S or not R, because P and Q, and if you put not in front of this, it must be not P, not Q, but and must be convert to R. Okay, so we have not alpha like this, so you have to add this one into the knowledge base. So your knowledge base will be, I would like to move it a little bit here. Okay, not S or not R. Okay, so you have to find something. Oh, that's wrong. Okay. So if you have this one, it means that you must have, you must try to find the negate, the negative literal like this. So I'll start with not Q or S and not S or not R. So when you do the resolution, this is the literal that you can remove, and the remaining will be not Q or not R. And then you have Q here, right? So you have not R here, and once you have not R, you have not P or R that you can remove, and this one is not P. Finally, not P and P. And finally you can remove them all. So the original alpha will be true. So both S and R are true. So this is the solution of the first question. Okay, the next I'd like to copy the second question. If you didn't finish your second question yet, you can wait, or you can try by yourself first, and then continue watching. So you can start with some people who live in Bangkok own a white house. This means some white house, right? So if we have a human X for some human, right? Oh, sorry. So for some human X who lives in Bangkok, this one, some people who live in Bangkok owns X and Y and house Y. House Y and white Y. House Y means Y is a house and Y is white. So so you can see that this is the correct one. Human X, or actually many people leave human because maybe it's applied for some people. So it normally it's applied for some people, but if you don't want to avoid it, you can put human here. So X is a human, and X lives in Bangkok. X own Y, and Y is a house, and Y is white. Okay, so this is the one that you can. So any, for example, X can be any of Jane, Jim, Jim, Bill, Bob, Babe, any people. Okay, and so if any of them, you can think that if any of them, Jane is human, Jane lives in Bangkok, and Jane has some Y, that is a house and is white. That's correct. So just only one of X is enough. That's all for the first question of the second. Now this one. Everyone loves all people who love some animal. Okay, so look at this. Maybe, yep. Everyone who ever loves all people who love some animal. You can think that. You can change it too. If you love some animal, there must be everyone will love you, right? So this one are these sentences are same, right? So if you love some animal for some Y, animal for some Z, animal Z, then for some animal and loves y yz loves. So what does it mean? This sentence will be true. This sentence will be true if y, who is a human, love some animals, right? Just only one animal is enough, right? Just only one animal is enough. You love some animals. Just only one animal. If 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 Timmy is a cat and cat is an animal, if you love Timmy, just only one is enough. Any of them. Then there will be everyone will love you. So it will be like this. Everyone will love you. If this is true, if you love any animal, some animal, just only one animal, everyone in the world will love you. Okay. If I change it to there must there if I change it to if you love some animals, there will be someone who loves you. If you love an animal, and some animals loves some animals, yes, right? There will be someone who loves you. This one. For or why. Okay, there must be like someone who loves you. Not everyone. Okay, so I hope that you get the idea, and it's a little bit complicated to convert the sentence into the first order logic sentence. Okay, I hope that you can repeat it or watch it again if you don't understand. And if you have any questions, you can ask me at the start time of the class tomorrow. See you guys.